This is LENOVO Tab M7, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So to start, I recommend that you enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then among the control panel shortcuts, find the one that says nearby share, then touch and hold. Once at the nearby share page, turn the switch on in order to activate the function. So at this point it is somewhat ready to be used, but there are quite a few other configurations that you can make. So for example, you can set a custom device name, make your device visible or invisible respectively, as well as change its visibility extent. Then you can change the data mode that will be used for the file transfer, and now you're all set up and ready to both send and receive files. So let me test how well this device can receive files. So I'll share this little screenshot, wait until my device gets discovered, then accept the transfer at the receiver's end, wait for the file to get transferred, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.